In today's world, billions of chickens are raised every year to meet the global demand for food. But have you ever wondered how modern poultry factories produce thousands of healthy broiler chickens with incredible speed and precision? From high-tech egg incubation systems to fully automated broiler farms, the process combines biology, engineering, and advanced automation on a massive scale. What you're about to see is not traditional farming, it's an industrial-scale operation designed for maximum efficiency, strict hygiene, and rapid production. Imagine a factory where millions of eggs are monitored like scientific experiments, where temperature changes by just 1 degree can determine life or death, and where thousands of chicks hatch within hours under the control of powerful automated machines. This is the world of the modern chicken megafactory. From robotic incubation systems to climate-controlled broiler houses, every stage is carefully engineered to transform fragile eggs into fast-growing broiler chickens that supply food chains across the globe. Welcome to one of the most advanced farming systems on Earth. Welcome back to Process Insight. Today, we're taking you deep inside a massive chicken mega factory to explore the complete journey of industrial poultry production, from egg incubation and automated hatcheries to large-scale broiler raising systems used in modern poultry farming. You'll discover how fertilized eggs are carefully managed using advanced incubation technology, how thousands of chicks hatch with precise environmental control, and how modern broiler farms use automation to raise chickens efficiently while maintaining strict health and safety standards. So sit back and let's explore the fascinating science and engineering behind industrial chicken production. The process begins with fertilized eggs collected from breeder farms. These farms raise specially selected parent chickens that produce high-quality eggs designed for broiler production. Every egg must meet strict standards before entering the hatchery. Cracked, dirty, or irregular eggs are removed because even small defects can reduce hatch success. Once selected, the eggs are carefully placed onto automated trays and transported to the incubation facility under controlled temperatures. Maintaining stable conditions during transportation is critical because the embryo inside the egg is extremely sensitive. At the hatchery, advanced scanning and sorting systems organize thousands of eggs every hour, preparing them for the next stage of development. Inside the incubation chamber, the real science begins. Massive industrial incubators are designed to recreate the exact environmental conditions needed for embryo development. Temperature, humidity, airflow, and oxygen levels are monitored 24 hours a day using computer-controlled systems. The eggs are typically incubated at around 37.5 degrees Celsius with carefully balanced humidity to prevent moisture loss. But incubation is not just about heat. Automated turning systems rotate the eggs several times every day. This prevents the embryo from sticking to the shell and ensures proper development. Without this process, hatch rates would drop dramatically. Large hatcheries may contain hundreds of thousands or even millions of eggs inside climate-controlled rooms operating with incredible precision. Even a minor environmental fluctuation can affect embryo growth, which is why backup power systems and emergency monitoring technology are essential. Humidity levels increase to soften the shell, making it easier for chicks to break out. Soon, tiny cracks begin appearing across thousands of eggs at the same time. The chicks use a small structure on their beak called the egg tooth to slowly break through the shell in a process known as pipping. Within hours, entire hatchers become filled with newly born chicks. The sound inside the facility changes dramatically as thousands of chicks begin chirping simultaneously. For many viewers, this is one of the most fascinating moments of the entire poultry production process. Once hatched, chicks move through automated processing lines. Workers and machines quickly separate healthy chicks from empty shells and unhatched eggs. The chicks are then inspected for quality and activity levels. In many modern hatcheries, automated vaccination systems protect chicks from common poultry diseases at a very early stage. Some facilities also use robotic sorting systems capable of handling thousands of chicks per hour while minimizing stress and maintaining hygiene standards. After processing, the chicks are placed into ventilated transport crates and prepared for delivery to broiler farms. Timing is critical because the first few days of life strongly influence future growth performance. The next stage takes place inside massive broiler houses designed for rapid and efficient chicken growth. These buildings can contain tens of thousands of chickens under carefully controlled environmental conditions. Automated feeding systems distribute scientifically formulated feed across long feeding lines, ensuring every bird receives balanced nutrition. At the same time, automated watering systems provide constant access to clean water. Ventilation systems regulate airflow, remove excess heat, and maintain proper oxygen levels. During hot weather, cooling systems help reduce stress and improve survival rates. Modern poultry houses also use smart sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, ammonia levels, and bird activity in real time. Some advanced farms even use artificial intelligence to analyze flock behavior and detect health problems before they become visible to workers. This level of automation helps farmers improve efficiency while maintaining stable growing conditions for large populations of birds. Broiler chickens are specifically bred for fast growth and efficient feed conversion. Within just a few weeks, chicks grow from tiny hatchlings into full-sized broilers ready for processing. Throughout this period, farm workers continuously monitor bird health, feeding performance, water consumption, and environmental stability. Biosecurity is extremely important in industrial poultry farming. Many farms restrict visitor access, require protective clothing, and disinfect vehicles entering the facility. Disease prevention is essential because even a small outbreak can impact thousands of birds very quickly. The goal is to maintain healthy conditions while maximizing production efficiency.
Modern chicken megafactories play a major role in the global food supply chain. Industrial poultry farming allows producers to supply affordable protein to millions of people worldwide. Large-scale hatcheries and broiler operations operate with incredible coordination, combining genetics, engineering, automation, veterinary science, and logistics into one highly organized system. For some people, these facilities represent technological achievement and food efficiency. For others, they raise important discussions about sustainability, animal welfare, and the future of industrial farming. But regardless of perspective, there's no denying the massive scale and complexity behind modern poultry production. From fragile fertilized eggs to fully grown broiler chickens, every step inside a chicken megafactory depends on precision, automation, and advanced biological control. What looks simple on the outside is actually one of the most technologically advanced farming systems in the modern world. And as global food demand continues to rise, these massive poultry operations will likely become even more automated and efficient in the years ahead. If you enjoyed exploring the incredible world of industrial poultry farming, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Process Insight, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the world's most fascinating factories, technologies, and production systems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Process Insight.